city that celebrates Christmas quite like Orlando. Maybe because of all there is to experience here, from world-class theme parks to James Beard award-winning restaurants to all the great resorts. One resort in particular takes celebrating Christmas to a whole new level. The Gaylord Palms Resort annually hosts a signature holiday event that has become a tradition even the locals in Orlando attend. Ice at Gaylord Palms is a world made from more than 2 million pounds of colored ice, hand-carved into sculptures around a holiday theme. This year, it's Ice featuring the Polar Express, and we'll take an insider's look into this wonderful holiday event coming up next. If you've never been to see Ice at the Gaylord Palms in Orlando, you first need to know that it's only one part of an incredible program of over 15 shows, attractions, and events that encompasses Christmas at Gaylord Palms. It takes an entire weekend stay just to experience it all. For instance, Cirque Dreams Unwrapped is a 25-minute action-packed experience featuring soaring acrobatics, theatricality, and imagination produced by Broadway director and renowned Cirque Dreams founder Neil Goldberg. Each year, this show features new acts and performers that bring to life a magical and timeless Christmas wonderland. Alpine Village is the central hub for holiday happenings. The village is home to various attractions and shows like Photos with Santa, Sugary Sweet Story Time led by the Sugar Plum Fairy herself, Mrs. Claus's Christmas Traditions, which features the First Lady of the North Pole who leads a half-hour interactive show, Santa's Snow Throw, which puts real snow in the hands of guests, and 2-story ice slides within the ice attraction itself. And now, without further delay, the 2019 world premiere sneak peek at Ice featuring the Polar Express at Gaylord Palms. The ice attraction is crafted by artisans from Harbin, China, home of the world's largest ice and snow sculpture festival, who travel more than 6,000 miles to hand-carve more than 2 million pounds of colorful ice, creating larger-than-life sculptures. This year, as guests explore the attraction, they will discover more than 10 favorite scenes from the Polar Express. I hope you've enjoyed this exclusive world premiere sneak peek of Ice featuring the Polar Express at the Gaylord Palms in Orlando. Let me know what you think of this annual event in the comments below, and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more shows like this one. See you next time.